Understanding the phrase, clear-headed, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, clear-headed. This phrase is often used in everyday English, and understanding its context can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in. Clear-headed is an adjective that describes someone who is able to think in a rational and logical manner, especially in situations that are stressful or confusing. This term implies clarity of thought, good judgment, and the ability to make sensible decisions. It's often used in scenarios where being calm and focused is crucial. To better understand how clear-headed is used, let's look at some examples. 1. Despite the chaos around her, she remained clear-headed and found a solution. 2. It's important to stay clear-headed during an emergency. 3. He is known for his clear-headed approach to complex problems. Notice how in each of these examples, clear-headed is used to highlight someone's ability to maintain composure and think effectively. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can further clarify the meaning of clear-headed. Synonyms: level-headed, rational, composed, lucid. Antonyms: confused, irrational, muddled, disoriented. These words can be used interchangeably depending on the context, enhancing your vocabulary and expression. The concept of being clear-headed might be expressed differently in various cultures. In some cultures, it's closely related to wisdom and experience, while in others, it might be more about practicality and quick thinking. Understanding these nuances can be particularly useful for non-native English speakers. Being clear-headed is a valuable trait, and now that you understand this phrase, you can start using it in your daily conversations. Remember, English is a language rich with expressions, and mastering them will make you a more effective communicator. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this video has been enlightening. See you in the next one.